Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. What do I got going on today? Today is the weekend, and one thing I've quickly figured out about doing deliveries on the skateboard, the weekend is just not the time to work. The reason why the weekend is just not the time to work, during the week, Monday through Friday up until 2 p.m., there are a lot of orders that are in the downtown in the Soma area because we have all these tall office buildings, and these buildings are full of people, and there's lots of restaurants near the Soma, near the financial district area. It makes for a great place to work and make a lot of deliveries. However, on the weekends, things are a whole lot different around here. There is no action going on in Soma. Well, very little, because I mean, there are people that live in Soma, but there's like basically no action going on in the financial district. Pretty much all the businesses are closed in the financial district, all the restaurants and stuff like that. And very few people live in the financial district. So on the weekends, whenever I try to go online with an app like Caviar, all the orders are much lower, one thing I've noticed, and you have to go really far away. Now on Sundays can work out a little bit better. Like Sundays around dinner time, there are so many orders out there that it can just work out. Like I can sort of go out and make deliveries on a skateboard, but that's pretty much what I've figured out. Like Saturdays are very difficult days to work on the skateboard. I mean, I could still go out and make like $100, but it's not the same $100 that I would make on a Saturday that I would make during the week. Like, it would just be much easier to make money during the week versus to work on the weekend. Maybe when the weather gets crappy, because the weather has just been amazing the past couple weeks. This morning it's just a little chilly outside. I got a little jacket on. I'm still cool, but I'm still rocking some shorts. Still got some mismatched socks on. Y'all know my thing. Got some new DCs. These are some new skate shoes I got here. I like these bad boys. These are dope. I got these off of Amazon. Y'all know I love that Amazon life. I love the Amazon life. And I haven't even had these for 2 days, and I've already got them dirty from the skateboard, because when oops, I'm losing my wallet here. But when you are on the skateboard and you know, drop the skateboard, you want to like kick it with your foot so it doesn't hit the ground. So yeah, this foot is already like completely dirty. What else is going on in my life? Oh, I just got this thing off of Amazon. Well, I didn't get it, but like this company sent it to me, and it's like this charger, and it's pretty cool because it's for example, I'm in this room right here and I'm working here on the computer, and I'm just checking out the iPad Pro with T-Mobile, which I don't think I'm gonna get through T-Mobile. But there's no plug. The plug is like way over here, and my Apple cord won't reach that far. As you can see, it just won't reach that far. There's another plug like way over here, and you know, this is just not gonna reach. So this thing, I can like plug it up over here, and then I have 2 ports here, and then I also have these 4 USB ports, so I can charge, you know, the booster remote in my other iPhone, and then I can charge this iPhone. And I was charging the GoPro a minute ago, but this thing's pretty cool. I mean, it's very light, it's easy to travel with. Yeah, I kind of like it a lot. This is kind of what it looks like, one of these little things. Perfect to put on a desk, you know, or perfect to travel with. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, what have I got going on today? I'll probably go out. There is a skateboard meetup today. I don't exactly know if I'm gonna go on the skateboard meetup, but I think I will go down and meet up with the crew a little bit. If I don't do any Caviar deliveries, I don't know if I'm gonna do deliveries today, because like I say, like the weekends are just not the best day. It is just an amazing day out here. Oh my gosh, look at this crystal blue sky. California, here we come. Anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Not so fast. Before I take off, I really need to replace the skid plates on the boosted, so I'm gonna go replace the skid plates really fast here. All right, the boosted is looking a little bit better. Got some new skid plates on, and look at these old skid plates. This one is pretty banged up, and this one was just cracked in half completely. Wow, what is going on here? A whole bunch of chicken.
got the pad, it's all good.
What's going on? It's like all the people that wasn't here last time. What's going on? Good, I'm having a blast, yeah. Huh?
When did you come, Jermaine?
I just been back like maybe 2 weeks.
You came out on an off week.
Anybody got a power strip?
Fucked up, dude.
Anyone got a power strip?
No.
Change your plans. I'm down at the skateboard meetup.
No way, dude. I didn't want bindings until I realized that I can do this.
Yeah, I mean,
What is going on here? This is like a Tesla
I
board.
wouldn't mind like having a board just for that.
I'm in an intersection.
Yeah, I can always get off and do the food thing.
Yeah, this is what I got going on here. Yes. What's going on, man?
I had to trade in the boosted, man.
No.
I converted.
You freaking traitor. But you know what? Someone asked me the other day, they said, yo, if Boosted made one of these, would you buy one? Would you get one? And I said, yeah, I would totally get one if Boosted made it. I mean...
Yeah, you could trust the boosted.
Yeah, I mean, then what would my excuse be? All right, boys and girls, let's skate. Wow, my day, what an adventure. Ended up going down, meeting the guys for the skateboard ride. And I didn't go on the entire ride, but I went on the majority of the ride. And then after that, I had an errand to run over to Oakland to pick up a couple of things that I need to mail off tomorrow. Now here I'm back at WeWork having a little Chipotle bowl. Actually, I was watching a video a couple days ago. This guy was talking about Chipotle hacks. And one of the Chipotle hacks this guy was talking about was how to get more food for the same price. Now, usually when I go to Chipotle, I like to get the tacos because I like to just like, I don't know, the flour tortilla is not really the best thing for you, but I just like the tacos. But I noticed whenever I get the tacos, I get way less food versus getting a bowl. So in the guy's video, he was talking about go to Chipotle and order a bowl, okay? And he was like, whenever they ask if you want white rice or brown rice, just ask for both because they'll give you a scoop of both instead of one scoop. And then if you want brown beans or pinto beans, you can always ask for both once again. In my case, instead of getting black beans and pinto beans, I just got 2 scoops of pinto beans. After the guy had already, you know, poured the first scoop, I asked, hey, can I have a little bit more black beans? And he gave me another full scoop of black beans. So right off the bat, I got double beans and double rice that I would normally get going to Chipotle. And when it comes to the not the sauces, but what do you call it? The sauces. I usually always get like 2 sauces, like, you know, the mild and also the medium. And corn. I'm a huge fan of the corn, like just on top of the bowls or even in a burrito or in a taco. So that's pretty much my little Chipotle hack that I used today. And I got like way more food. Like I'm still like trying to eat this and I can definitely finish it, but it's definitely way more food than getting 3 tacos from Chipotle. Like I think I'll always use this option now. And thinking about it, I actually have some tortillas back home. And today is the Chipotle day, tomorrow is gonna be a Chipotle day. So if you use the Chipotle app, Chipotle has this app where like you can sign up for rewards and stuff like that. But if you use the Chipotle app, you can also order food before you get to the restaurant. So you can like show up to the restaurant and your food's already done. Or you can just use the app for rewards. Now in my case, I'm just using the app for rewards because Chipotle is kind of expensive. A bowl is like $10 here. And the last time I was in Boston, which is not a cheap American city, a Chipotle bowl was like $7. And also in LA, a Chipotle bowl was like $7. So around here, like, I totally want to rack up on my Chipotle points. So Chipotle is having a special. If you go to Chipotle and you scan your app on Sundays and Mondays, you get double the points that you would normally get all the other days of the week. And $1, for every $1 you spend, you get 10 points. So I guess you get 20 points for every dollar you spend. And after, I think, 2,000 points, no, after 2,550 points, you get a free entree. So I don't know. Yeah, just trying to save a buck here or there or two. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Today has been just another random awesome day. And now I am back just having some food, chilling out. It's still a gorgeous day outside. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.